don't understand what's going on here.
Oh, fuck, you found me.
This is a drive shaft.
Nice.
I think he had like sign country do it.
I'm gonna put them on here. I'm squeezing together because we had to cut them off.
Oh, I got metal.
What do you? Okay.
20. What just happened?
Oh no, it's here. It was a pole. It was a fucking pole and giant.
Baker, how's this go?
Oh. Ah, there we go. I'm like, whoa!
The best drill bit you'll ever use.
Okay, that drilled right in there, real nice.
No, it doesn't.
Opposite of the way you do it at home.
Whoa. Yeah. Pull, Baker. Come on, use all that 120 pounds.
Holy crap.
There we go.
Don't even touch it. Don't even look at it.
Just move. We'll use the escape and build one when you're done with it.
Yeah.
I'm down.
That way you got one.
And then you can escape really quick.
There we go.
Apple one?
Yeah, let me get the bolt.
What's the strap on for?
Done. Oh, let's go.
She looks like a truck.
Yeah, that looks proper. I was worried it was going to be like too small and just kind of underwhelming. This is perfect. Poke, it's the perfect amount of poke.
See? No
Let's
more
go.
tickets.
Thanks.
Absolutely.
Killed it. Killed it.
I like the meaty look.
Yep,
You know?
this is perfect.
It doesn't look so long anymore,
Yeah.
right? It's up in the air. It's not so like 5 miles long. It's proportional.
This honestly turned out perfect. I'm so glad because I had like some wheels that were probably wouldn't have looked, well, they definitely wouldn't have looked this good. And Baker's just, he called me up personally. He's like, dude, I seriously think you should reconsider your wheel fitment size. Like if you're getting pulled over, you don't want to run these. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
I'll take your word for it.
We need to be a little bit more conservative here. It's like, it still looks good.
No, it's perfect.
How tall was it before? Not shoulder height, obviously,
Dude.
but like, I felt like it used to be like down here. It was like a car.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger, I think, than the Duramax was.
Yeah.
All right, we'll start up here, wheel and tire package, right? We got the 20x10, Motive Off-Road Magnus there, black spikes, because you can't not have spike
I know,
nuts,
I want
honestly.
spikes.
Bro, the mounting pad is so deep on it. I love this when just the spike sticks up.
Yeah.
It's like you don't know that, how's that mounted?
Sharp,
right?
sharp.
We got the 37 12.5 Yokohama Geolanders. So this is the same thing we run on the Power Wagon. Dude, that truck's been everywhere. They did get stuck once, but like it was buried to like here. Okay. So I mean,
fair enough.
These tires should do everything you guys need it to.
Perfect.
Probably better than Ryan's TRX.
Yeah.
Are you stuck? Temporarily. I think my truck might be here for a while.
Make those bad boys fit. We got the 4-inch Zone Off-Road lift kit back there, radius arm kit, new coil springs up front, new shocks obviously. Nothing too crazy, but this thing's gonna ride good.
I can't believe this is just a 4. This seems bigger.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big truck. Minimal cutting to make everything work. I just stuck the liner back here, trimmed up the valence.
Okay.
That's all that was needed. I knew you guys were gonna get a little aggressive with it, so I went. It really didn't even need that. Yeah, gave you a little bit more room. You know, obviously out back, same deal. It's got coil spring spacers in the back instead of new springs, so it's gonna keep that heavy duty ride quality, you know, when you're pulling trailer with it. And then new shocks in the rear, just smooth out the ride. The thing rides absolutely phenomenal.
You test drove it?
Oh yeah, yeah. We put some miles on it. Obviously, you know, make sure everything's good. Ride's great. You got a lot of cushion on a 37.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured.
And these tires are actually pretty quiet for as aggressive as they are. It turned out good. I think it's gonna look phenomenal pulling trailer.
You go from the Archon truck or the SEMA truck, whatever you want to call it, and it's like, we're gonna do this truck up, but I was worried it was just gonna be pretty under. Like, how do you match that?
Oh yeah.
But this looks awesome, dude.
Yeah, you get a little functionality, you get a little height.
Yep.
You know,
this is perfect.
it's the same idea, just executed, you know, a little more practical.
Thank you, bro.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy it.
Per always, you did not disappoint. You went above and beyond. Looks awesome.
Like Pimp My Ride?
It is.
Pimp My Ride?
It is kind of like a Pimp My Ride when you come over here. You drop it off, you leave it, you come back, and it's a whole new truck.
No aquariums, no popcorn makers though, you're good.
Well, and if you look in the back of the truck, we got a PS2 and a TV, a flat screen TV.
Next time.
Next time.
Next time.